he transferred from there to Jagannath Puri because he was the first administrator of Jagannath temple. In Jagannath temple, there was a Sabha of Brahmins that is called Mukti Mandap. The Panda, those are sitting in the Mukti Mandap, they are never beg anybody. But the other Pandas, they beg, give me, give me. But Muktimanda Panda is separate from them. They are sitting in the Muktimanda and they are every day taking prasad from the temple. And they are staying there. If you bow down then they are blessing you. But it is the speciality. If we are bowed down there, then they utter Bhagavat Charane Nischala Matirstu. Our Keshav Prabhu invites them off and on for taking prasad in our mat. But the prasad you are to purchase from the Jagannath temple. They are taking. It is specialty of our Keshav Prabhu. He invites up and on. Up and on. He is no source of income. And nobody can help him. Then I told him, you are not afraid. God will send you pension. Understand? Pension. This pension is unlimited, not fixed. Because you have served your Gurudev, Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur and Radha Krishna. So there is no question of fear. Then the man from different places of parts of India and about ISKCON and others, all come to Puri. They are attained Keshav Prabhu because he was the cook of Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, the disciple of Prabhupada, knows Keshav Prabhu because they are big prasad of Prabhupada from Keshav Prabhu. So the big much there. And is never spend a single rupee for his own purpose. When I met him at Puri, he called me, close the door and count the money. How much Panda you can invite by this? And this. Everything. Because he never go any other place, because that place is the birthplace of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, and Bhakti Vinod Thakur also reside there. And his three sons, Bhakti Vinod Thakur opened another mandap that is called Bhakti Mandap in Jagannath temple, where the footprint of Lord Chaitanya established in a small temple. There Bhakti Thakur started Bhakti Mandap. And then when the number of the Bhakti Mandap increasing, then he transferred the Bhakti Mandap to Jagannath Vallabh Udvan. You seen Jagannath Vallabh? Jagannath Vallabh Udvan. And he controlled the Pandas. First of all, they like to disobey, but in his strong, he controlled all the Pandas. That is the specialty of. And he controlled the Seva, and with a written book that is called Madhula Panji. According to Madhula Panji, they are quarrel each other, then the judgment will get according to Madhula Panji. That is done by Thakur Bhakti Vinod. And Bhakti Vinod Thakur also studied Sanskrit there. So many Matadhaksha also study Sanskrit. But Bhaktivinoda Thakur progress is much more than the others. Although he was a junior, but he was senior within a short time. Then there was a famous yogi whose name is Vishkishan, Vishaksen. He is so powerful. He can remove kushta, leprosy, by his tongue. So powerful. Once he announced, I am playing Ras Leela. He invited all the daughters in Ekamrakanon on Bhubaneswar. Then the people of Odisha, they file application to the government to control it. Then the government left this matter to Thakur Bhakti Vinod with some police in civil dress and met that yogi. He immediately said, "You come to arrest me. It is not good for you. You are a family man." Then Bhaktivinoda Thakur ordered the policeman arrest him. He was arrested and brought to the put in a jail. When he start his judgment, that very day his two sons was seriously ill. They attacked by fever, 104.5. His wife told those sons were suffering in fever. I am arrange everything after return from the court. Not now. Left them in their bed. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur blessed the judgment for his jail. And he was transferred to another jail. And he ordered the barber cut his jota. But the barber is not able to cut because he is pure for his prabhav, great yogi. Give me your scissors. Then immediately the power was ceased. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur is such a never compromise anything, but he is very tender-minded, very tender. In Sanskrit, mriduna kusumadopi vajradapi kotholani. Understand? He is hard than thunder, and he is soft than flower. It is a remarkable matter. Then in a such a big post, so many work is to done every day. Yet his writing and his discussing never stop. Read Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu Bhagavad, everything, every day. Every day. And written more than 100 books. There is nobody to help, to assist, but yet he written so many books in Bengali, English, Sanskrit. He knows Odia, Bengali, Hindi, Sanskrit, Arabic, Farsi, everything. He is the first writer regarding the character of Lord Chaitanya in English. That is called
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is
Life and Precept. A small book. And sent that book to all universities in the world. When he said his book to University of America, that year Swami Maharaj appears. So the disciples of Swami Maharaj, they taking these books and not to return and replace another edition. And not only one. Regarding song, so many writings. Saranagati, Kallan Kalpataru, Gita Mala, Gita Avali, and Chaitanya Upanishad, Jaiva Dharma, Chaitanya Sikhamrita, so many books, so many manuscript was finished by fire in Godrum. That was not published. When he was based in Patna, that time he went to Vrindavan. And there are so many miscreants there. They looted the pilgrims, and Bhaktivinoda Thakur controlled them. That is called conjure. Bhaktivinoda Thakur went to Kurukshetra. You seen Kurukshetra and seen the writing of Thakur Bhaktivinoda? No.
Gaudiya Math.
Yes, not Gaudiya Math, not in the house of Panda. There was no Gaudiya Math there.
No, now the writings they are keeping where? In Gaudiya Math.
No. In the house of Panda,
Then
what? When I was pilgrimage, all the Tirtha of Uttar Bharat, then I visit Kurukshetra, and the Panda of Gaudiya Math arrest me. Without the writings of our Guru Varga, I cannot accept him as a Panda. So he said, the writing of Thakur Bhaktivinoda, Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, and our Gurudev, Bhakti Saranga Goswami Maharaj, Bhan Maharaj, every. Not in the name of Thakur Bhakti Vinod, in the name of Kedarnath Dutt. And his wife, Sri Sai is also there, Bhagavati Dasi. They accept. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur traveling every places. Is it possible for a man? His bhajan kutir in Puri, that is called Bhakti Kuti. Now the kuti is under ISKCON. Because Thakur Bhakti Vinod told his sons, those who are not perform bhajan, they are not entitled to take my property. So it is not writing, but in Bharveli it was. So his sons are not taking anything. His bhajan kutir in Godrum under Gaudiya Math. His bhajan kutir, you said, in Radhakunda? Yes.
Rajasvananda Sukadakunj.
Ah, Rajasananda Sukadakunj. Sab Sananda Sukada. And Puri, every places. Pipilika. So, and Bhaktivinoda Thakur is the original founder of Gaudiya Math. You can never start without the Kirtan of Thakur Bhakti Vinod. In Mangalarati, you uttered, you know? You know? Ah, in Sandharati, that is also in Bhogarati, midday, that is also written by Thakur Bhakti Vinod. And you utter in the time of taking prasadam, Mahaprasade Govinde. Who writing this? Thakur Bhakti Vinod. Everything. So, without Bhakti Vinod Thakur, you cannot expect Gaudiya Math. But in his writing, he told the Vaishnavas not established any math, any akhada or anything. Because if they start math, akhada, everything, that is the cause of fighting, quarrel each other. It is the version of Thakur Bhakti Vinod. And Vacha Vegam Manasa, Krodha Vegam, Jivha Vegam, Udaram Upastha Vegam, Itan Vegan Jo Visayeto Dhiro, Sarvanopi Mam Pratving Sasisa. It is only for household devotees. because the ascetic, they are, before joining the mode, they are controlled everything. But Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati, he
said no time.
no, he the admission of that people, those who are not control this, because his intention is that their intention is the same. Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta Thakur said, when the tiger is appear in your front, what shall you do? You are going to purchase gun, then fight. Or what shall you do? That's no answer.
With whatever is available, you fight.
By with anything. It may be a wooden, or it may be bricks, it may be anything. In Udala, the tiger attacked one man. Then the man, with his hand, he catched the tiger. And the people, they are come to rush to help him. Don't leave the tiger to go. But he lost his ear. And the people are gathered there, by biting, they finish the tiger. That man was in Udala. I seen him twice, but I am not sure that the man is still alive or he dead. Old one. When our Parbat Maharaj started that mode. He is not like to construct mode in the town. From far of the town, there was a jungle. So many tigers, bear come. But Parbat Maharaj, why start more there? In the time of Prabhupada, we went to preaching the teachings of Lord Chaitanya there. And he was, by his word, the people are very much aggrieved, because he told they are not knowledge, they are illiterate, not illiterate English word. He told अक्षर ज्ञान नहीं है. Understood अक्षर ज्ञान?
No knowledge of
No knowledge of, nor of अक्षर. अक्षर ज्ञान. So, it is not wise to speak the teachings of Lord Chaitanya. Then the people are very aggrieved. We are educated men. And Swamiji told, we are illiterate. Illiterate not appropriate. But for the sake of you all, I compel to utter this word. अक्षर ज्ञान जिनका नहीं है उनका बाद मैं क्या बोलूं. Next day they are very aggrieved and like to beat him. Then the brahmacharis, all the god brothers of Parvat Maharaj told Maharaj, today we are performed kirtan and finished. You are not attained. Because they are so aggrieved, they beat. Then he told, I must go. Because by the delivery, they are agreed with me. Then I suffer. Because I am not come here for the quarrel. I came here to preach the gospel of Lord Chaitanya, Prema Dharma of Lord Chaitanya. If by the mistake of my delivery, if they are aggrieved, I am ready. Then he start. What is Akshar? What is Akshar? In Gita, Kharad Atito Aham. All are Khara. Akshar means Brahma. Those who are not regarding the Brahma, how is it possible for them to understanding Paramatma and Krishna? But we are preacher of Krishna. Then they are understand and this surrender. So, he established their mot in Udala. They are so powerful.